now let's talk about the decals. If you want to inserting your logo on your object, in the asset tabs, you go down and here is a decals. This is a preset decals are here, and you can simply drag and drop it here. If you drag and drop on the object, it tells you, okay, if you want to insert as a texture. These are masks. Anywhere in a 3D software you see something mask, it means it's all about black and white code. For example, a reflection in a black part, you insert black and white code here to in the reflection in the material, and in a black area we don't have any reflection, in the white area we have reflection. It's also lost for roughness. This is on bump map, as on isotropic. For metallic, that we have material of that thin film, we have it. And here I want to place it as a decal. Nice, you can see with this handle you can move it, with this handle you can rotate it. And here in a decal, you can see here in a decal tab, you can change the width, height, scale, rotation also, and the offset from the object. And you can see it's a reflective and some other things. If you want, you can show material of that. You go to the material tab, and here you can change the color of that, the image that you want. If you want to insert a new image, you can go and directly change the decals from here. I'll show you a more easiest way. And you can see I don't want to this reflection. I turn off the metallic and done. You can see this is my surface. You can turn on IOR to less reflective here, and I think that's good. This is a decal. Another way to inserting decal is this, going for example to your software, to your computer, and just drag and drop it here as a decal again. Another kind of the decal is bump. It means if you drag and drop black and white code image is better, place as a relief decal. You can see based on black and white code, it's bring the white part up and the black part down, and you can see we have something like this, but in some angles you can see it better. And here you can go to the bump. You can see it insert as a bump, and you can increase or decrease level of bump level or height of the relief. It's a fake 3D. You can see it's a fake 3D. For example, this is an we have this area, you can see, but in some special angle. Okay, it's a fake 3D object. It means we have a bumps, higher part, lower part, and it looks like, for example, we have 3D object here. Okay, that's it.